Hello guys, how are you doing today? My name is Raw from the Rawtech, and today I'm bringing you the brand new OnePlus 6. Today is the unboxing of OnePlus 6. Basically this is the mirror black color of this phone. I have got only this variant, not any other variant. This comes in three variants. The three variants are, one is the mirror black, one is matte black, that is midnight black, and another one is white. White is not available still. It was just released on 19th of May and came on sale on Amazon on 21st of May. So this is the first as I can get it, and today we'll unbox. So basically the model is OnePlus A6000, color is mirror black, and the maximum retail price of this is 35,999. But in Amazon you're getting it in 34,999. So without any further delay, let's open this up. Okay. Right. So this is your OnePlus 6. Very nice look, as like it's a great unboxing feeling with the seal here of OnePlus. Looks very nice. It's like 1.20 kilograms. Pretty good. And actually there is a thing in OnePlus 6 now, like you don't have to pull it out. It's just like you hold it like this. Just look at this. No work done. It's just now the phone. Oh my god. You don't see any bezel on this phone. Like literally you don't see any bezel in this phone. This is okay. This is pop now. This is how you get the phone out. Okay, literally there is no bezel as you can see. Like not at all. Like there is a little bezel here. Not even a chin. It's a small little chin. And so we are now going to boot it up. Before that, we should take a notice out. Okay. And the sticker out. Alright. Now look at this thing. How shiny it is. Like it gives you that awesome feeling. Basically this mobile has like one problem which I think is like you can handle it. The only problem is that it has a mirror skin all over it, due to which there is a problem of fingerprints. Like if you hold it anywhere you'll get fingerprints. Like see, here I got one. So basically that's the only problem of this. Now coming to the specs of the mobile, it has a Snapdragon 845 processor, two dual cameras, one is 16MP, one is 20MP, and one front camera. So it has a flash with the dual camera and a fingerprint sensor. So first of all, this has a SIM tray as well. So first of all, I will do one thing. We'll just complete the unboxing first and then we'll get to this. So now you only have to do this. That's all. Comes with a cover which is provided by OnePlus, and we have a power brick here. It's quick charge power brick from OnePlus, and awesome looking braided cable from OnePlus which is in red, which is C-type from USB to C-type. So now we'll open this up and we'll see the quality of the wire. So as you can see, it's not braided, actually it looks like braided. It's like very good material on a red color with white tops, one USB and USB-C type. And you can see it's coated red inside as well. So it comes with a pretty nice cover for that. Okay, so this is the power brick and the wire, and this comes your phone. Let's throw these things down. Alright, so basically this is all we have in the box, but still something remains. That is this. So in this we have the warranty and a cover, as you can see. So this is the SIM tool of OnePlus 6, and after that we have things like OnePlus 6 user manual, how to boot it up, how to do everything. That's what we got in here, and the warranty, I presume. So basically that's we have in this box: the SIM tool, the OnePlus 6 user guide, and the warranty cards, and this is the warranty. So now let's keep it aside. So basically it is a hybrid SIM slot. So basically it has a SIM slot, that is this one, and as you can see it's 2 nano SIMs. It's not hybrid. You cannot insert a memory card here for 2 nano SIMs. That's all you have, and this is 64 GB internal with 6 GB. So basically now you have to connect our Wi-Fi. So we'll go to my Wi-Fi, put on my password. Oh, it has a nice vibrating feel. It's not like usual phones which like give you a like very bad vibration, but it's like it gives you good amount of vibration, like a bit of vibration. So now it's connecting, checking for updates. So it may take a few minutes or two. So now let's talk about the cover. Let it do what it does. Okay, so we got the mail ID. So the basic thing in here is like it has a great texture inside, so that the mirror in the back gets a proper texture when you put the cover on. And the thing is, like, it's pretty good. Like, the material is good. This has a matte finish. I like it. Like, this is good. So okay, now it's booted up. So this is how the screen looks, and the basic never settle off the OnePlus, the basic cover of them, like, which always comes on in a mobile with the theme of never settle. So you can see today is May 23rd, Wednesday, and it was released on 19th, and this is a pretty good drop screen. Like, drop down screen is like very cool and it works easily. So as I was talking about the bezel, look at this. It's a small chin. It's very small chin and no bezel. The thing you can do in this is like that you have this bezel in here which you see. You can actually make it a bezel totally, and these things will come on the black side of the bezel if you don't like the cutout in the bezel like this as the front cam. Let's add a fingerprint. Go and add a fingerprint. Okay, we'll see how the fingerprint works. So you have to tap for the fingerprint 15 times and you can have your fingerprint done. So now we'll see how the fingerprint works. So this is it. That's it. So this is so fast that like I've never seen something so fast. So now we get into the ports we have here. There's a bursting speaker here, right down here, and we have a USB-C type port for the charge and data transfer. We have a 3mm jack for headphones, and that's what like excites me the most, because after having the small bezel and this slim body fit, if you can put headphone jacks and all, that it makes me like very happy. And you have the front camera and just small speaker here. So basically there is a dual camera. Now it's time to check the camera. How is it working? So now let's go to cameras and see. So basically there is portrait mode. There is a photo, video and a portrait mode. So you have HDR here, auto HDR, ratio and a beauty mode. So you can set up your beauty as much as you want to. So let's go with a picture and like just take a look how it is. Okay, here you go. Looks pretty sturdy. The images are like, they look great. The basic thing about this is like it has a dual camera and it supports the thing if you are in a low light. Basically if you are in a low light, it's monochrome. So basically they help each other take pictures in a very dark situation as well. As both the cameras, you can switch between it. It's AI, so basically it will switch itself. And if you need a wide angle, it will go up to wide angle. See, the point is here that the camera has one small con, I would say, that is that you cannot actually choose the camera you want, to wide angle or monochrome camera. You don't know how to choose it. The basic thing is the AI in the phone will decide how it will work. So basically OnePlus is known for its camera. When OnePlus 3 came, when OnePlus 5 came, OnePlus 5T came, everyone was like flattered about the camera, and this phone, yeah, it delivers the OnePlus legendary. One more thing, I forgot about one more thing, the music. So let's check out the speakers. The only thing about the speaker is it won't blast on your face when you're watching something. Basically you have to take your hand like this and you just have to make the sound come your way by reflecting the sound. But in that factor, I think it's okay, it's not that bad. You can handle that. Okay. I found a love. So let's check out. I won't say it's the best speaker ever because Razer phone has a speaker which is like out of the world, but it is good. It's very good. It's like very good. So OnePlus 6 has, I told you, the problem is the mirror skin, and like I've got already some fingerprints in there. That's why you have a cover here. You put on the cover and look at it. Still looks like mirror, but kind of has a matte finish due to the texture inside the cover. I'll give it a 9.5 because of the speaker, I would say. 0.5 deducted because of the speaker, and you pay 34,999 in Amazon for this. So basically, it's a phone you pay for so much, and I expect that OnePlus should have given something more in this because thing is, it has costed so much, and people have believed in $514 US, 15 US dollars in India. So for this one, I would say it's worth buying, and I love it, and you can use it anytime you want. It's fast, it works perfect. What else do you need? 128 GB is available, but that's only in midnight black. This mirror black comes in 64 GB itself. Now, thank you for watching. This is just my first video on YouTube. I hope I'll bring out a lot of things. I'll come up with more things, like I'll do gaming live streams, I'll do movie reviews. That's all for today. I would say this phone is worth buying. It's very good. Now let's set up the things back and take a final look into it.